Hello, my name is Matt. Today we are going to be cooking the world famous sausage, corn, and cheese queso dip. To begin with, we are going to be we're making a double batch here, but we are making breakfast sausage that we're going to mince and brown. Going to use 2 jars of yellow queso. Going to be using 2 blocks of Philadelphia cream cheese. We are also going to use super sweet golden and white corn in steam bags. And then we will use diced jalapenos for taste. And that's what we will do. We'll put that all together here in this bowl, and we'll start making that right now. I do prefer to use name brand ingredients minced up, and we will not drain this. I like the flavor of the grease that comes from making these. I really like the taste that comes out of this. This is actually a recipe that I came up with. Kind of my uncle had started making something very similar, and I'm a protein guy, so I wanted a little bit of protein flavor, and I thought, you know what better thing to add than to add in some sausage. We will go from there. But we do like these. This is a chopper that we use for hamburger, sausages. If you really want to get your meat browned, the finer the better.